Hello there and welcome to this exciting course. It is a course on Revit Architecture where I'll teach you from start to finish on how you can model and detail architectural projects all within Revit. Revit is the leading BIM software in the architecture, engineering and the construction industry, popularly known as the AEC industry. It is a must-have tool for everyone in this industry. This course is suitable for architects, engineers, and designers who would like to be competent and efficient in modeling and detailing of architectural projects or within Revit. I'll take you step by step in the modeling and detailing of residential and commercial buildings, as you can see from there. If you want to know what you are going to get from this course, make sure that you check under the contents there. You see that once you click the drop down arrow, you should be able to see all the details and sections on what you're going to learn. You see that the course is very detailed. Therefore, you are going to learn on how you can, model and detail all your projects. And in this case, we are looking at a residential building and also a commercial building. We are going to begin by preparing the CAD file in AutoCAD so that it can readily be used in Revit. The importance of doing this is that it will be easy for you to model, or rather to create your grids and levels, and later on to model all the members of your house or your commercial building in Revit. As you can see, I'm going to teach you and show you on how you can model all the components of the house, the roof, the walls, place all your doors and the windows, and this I'll show you step by step so that you do not miss a step. I'll teach you on how you can model a house up to this level, as you can see. And I promise you that no step will be skipped. So what you are seeing right there is what we are going to do in this course from start to finish. In addition to the residential building, that is the house, we are also going to model this commercial building from start to finish. As you can see from there, that is the completed one. Now, after the modeling is finished, we'll go ahead and start detailing together. I'll show you all the tools that you need for the detailing, and you should be able to detail according to your needs. All the tools will be shown to you, and we are going to detail the floor plans. You can see from there, we have the roof plan, the foundation plans, then we have the elevations, and I'll take you step by step on how you can detail all these using Revit tools. You don't need to export, to AutoCAD for detailing. You see from there, we have the sections. The details are there, and as I've mentioned, I'll show you the tools. And this is, sometimes people find it difficult to detail because they don't master Revit, they haven't mastered Revit. But in this course, I'll show you all the tools, and you see that all the tools are there. I'll show you on how you can place all the views on the sheets. You see that we also have the door and window schedules. Then I mentioned to you that we are going to model this commercial building together until we finish. This commercial building will also help you to understand some more advanced, tools in Revit. Having mentioned all the highlights in this course, I'm confident that you now understand what you are going to learn in this course. Therefore, you make the right decision to join me in this course. And remember that you have access to me for any questions that you have. I'll be there to help you out. So see you in this exciting course.